Everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so today is December 6th, 2019. I have one of these AMS Ames 20:1 Celsius and Fahrenheit infrared laser thermometers. I picked up another one. I picked up a 7-inch multi-purpose scissors. They're serrated, ideal for a wide variety of applications, from cutting flowers, paper, cardboard, leather, rope, and more. Limited lifetime warranty. These are Pittsburgh brand. Item number 97042. I got the 8 1/4 inch longer versions. They're made from Pittsburgh. Same thing, flowers, paper, cardboard, leather, rope, and more. Multi-purpose stainless steel scissors with comfortable to hold handles. These slightly longer blades make the cut more efficient. This one is item number 97049. I picked up for my wife this 5-piece pack of scissors. These are probably familiar because I have a bunch of them. I have the same pack up here. I use all the time for cutting things open on videos. It is item number 62458. And the Ames Instruments Professional 20:1 infrared laser thermometer, large 2.1 color screen, adjustable emissivity. I can't say it today. I'm just having a pretty off day. Increases accuracy when measuring the different surfaces. 3-color alarm indicates whether the target is above, within, or below the reference temperature set point. It is item number IR20. Now the reason I picked up these, I also picked up another item. Not really sure why it won't stand. There. I also picked up this Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck. It is really heavy. It's got solid rubber wheels. It converts into 2-wheel hand truck, a 2-wheel assisted hand truck, a 4-wheel hand truck kind of bent, and a 4-wheel hand cart flat. It is item number FKL1000-4. This is normally $149.99. This, when I picked it up, was $59.99. These are like $4 with a orange tag. This was I think 6 and 8 and 6 or something like that. But a buddy of mine, I'm going to leave a card up here. His name is Mr. Something Basic. I'll leave a card up for his channel. Sent me a coupon. I really appreciate it, brother. It was a 25% off friends and family coupon. The original price of the dolly was $149.99. I paid $112.50. It took $37.49 off the dolly. Thermometer was $59.99. I got it for $44.99, which took $15 off. The 8-inch multi-purpose scissors originally was $9.79. I got them for $7.34. And the 7-in-1, oh, those were the 8-in-1s, yeah. And the 7-in-1 multi-purpose scissors were $6.79. So yeah, these were $6.79. I got one of them wrong originally, but I paid $5.09 for them. And the The 5-pack was $7.49. I paid $5.61. It was 25% off every item that I picked up. I got everything for $191.69. If you add up the 149 plus the 59, you're well over that price. I basically got all of this right here for 40-something dollars more than the full price of the dolly. So, and I'm just going to round up 150 plus 60 plus 7.49 plus 9.79 plus 679. 6.79. There was 9.2% tax in Casa Grande, so it was plus 16.16. That's $250.23. So minus 191.69. I saved $58 total. And I'm not going to complain about that. That was a heck of a deal in my opinion. So I want to give a shout out to Mr. Something Basic for the coupon. I appreciate it, brother. And I did go to Home Depot. They didn't have what I wanted. They had it, but they had it bare tool. Found out when I went on HomeDepot.com while I was at Home Depot. They had the tool I wanted with a free high output 8.0 from Milwaukee. So I just ordered it online. This is not going to be an unboxing video. That will be the next video. This is just a look at everything. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and I do have to do a review on this because I have another one. I'm going to leave the old one I have in one of my trucks, and this one will stay in the house. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!